And let's move on to 3 digits. 100 is peg, 120, 100, 2 tens. So it's 120. Here as well, we don't say 120 unless it's a legal document. Yeah, in daily life we say 120. 234, 2 hundreds, 3 tens, 4. So it's 234. 567. 5 hundreds, 6 tens, 7. 567. 890. 8 hundreds, 9 tens. So it is 890. We'll move on to 4 digits. 1,000 is 1,000. 1,230. So it's 1,200, 3 tens. 1,230. Here as well, we don't say 1,230. We just say 1,230. Yeah, unless it's a legal term or formal document. And 1,300. 1,300. So 1,300. 2,400. Literally 2,400. So 2,400. A bit more complicated. 3,590. 3,509 tens. 3,590. Now let's move on to 5 digits. It gets a little more complicated, but you'll still need the number, these big numbers, because in Korea, $10 is about 13,000 won. So the number looks big, but you'll use it a lot in everyday life. And there's one thing to explain, something annoying. Internationally, you put commas every 3 digits, right? We do the same when we write numbers, but when we read, it's every 4 digits. This annoying discrepancy didn't used to exist, so we used to read and write numbers every 4 digits. But at some point in modern age, I don't know exactly when, we decided to adopt the international way of writing numbers by putting commas every 3 digits. So now there's this annoying disparity between reading and write numbers. So we have names for every 4 digits. 4 zeros is man. 8 zeros is ok. 12 zeros, 조. Let's look at some examples and read the numbers. 100,000. I think this will be helpful if you move the comma 1 digit forward and try reading it. It becomes 10만. 4 zeros is man. So it becomes 10만. Another example, 1,000,000. You move the comma 1 digit forward and it becomes 100만. So 100만. Here you don't say 100만. When the number starts with 1, you don't say 1,000 or 1만. It's just 1,000 or 만. 11,000. You move the comma and it becomes 만 and 1,000. 만천. 12,345. You move the digit and then it becomes 4 zeros. 만 and 2,345. 2,345. 24,680. Move the comma. 2만. 2 4 zeros. And 4,680. 4,680. Another example. 35,579. Move the comma. It becomes 3만 and 5,579. 5,579. Another example. 700,500. Move the comma and it becomes 70만 and 500. So 70만 500. I know this way of reading is very confusing, and honestly, I also have trouble talking about Korean won in English. And when you consider exchange rates between Korean won and dollars, it gets even more complicating. Yeah, but over time, I guess you'll get used to it. And with huge numbers, you get to see them on the screen, cell phone screen, or write them down on paper, or you get to see them on cash register. So I think it won't be a big problem, hopefully.